Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with the recall questions regarding the NEET MDS 2023. Definitely it is the requested video, so I come forward with this video. Along with that, this video will be very helpful to all the aspirants of the upcoming NEET MDS examination, that is for the NEET MDS 2024 and the onwards aspirants. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. As we all know that the NEET MDS 2023 paper is moderately difficult paper. This is the feedback which I received from all the NEET MDS aspirants of this year, that is the 2023. So without wasting time, let's see the recall questions list, because that will help you to prepare for the upcoming examination of NEET MDS 2024 and onwards paper. One small request is there. This video might be a bit long, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Don't forget to take the pen and paper and write all the important recall questions of NEET MDS 2023. The question is the thermal energy needed to convert solid to liquid, and the recall options are the melting point, sublimation heat, heat of fusion or the latent heat. The second recall question is the drug of choice for the absence of seizures. Third question is, what would you use to control systematically in bleeding extraction tooth case? And the recall options are also there, that is the ethamsilate, 1% adrenaline, gelatin foam or the cellulose. Fourth question is the Apert syndrome. There is the picture based question come on the Apert syndrome. Next recall question is the dog bell and food story theory. Next question is on the child undernourished with generalized edema. Next recall question is the penicillamine is an antidote for. There is the clinical based question come on the cervicofacial. Based question come on crepitus. Next recall question is on the Down and Klinefelter syndrome. Recall question is the sunflower cataract Kaiser-Fleischer occurs due to. 12th recall question is the Wilson's disease based MCQ is there. Next recall question is the Stobbe's technique based recall question is on the chlorides not used for disinfection in which impression material. Next recall question is the drug associated. It is the question which is written as the drug associated to the Clostridium difficile colitis. There is a talent cusp radiograph. There is a question on pedo triangle. Another recall question is, what is the alginate filler which is derived from? Another PhD question, that is the highest level of analysis. The recall question of NEET MDS 2023 is the stage of change where the person is thinking of changing. So there are the recall options also. That is the contemplation, pre-contemplation, action or the maintenance. Next important question, that is the enameloplasty done when enamel is involved. So up to which part the enamel is involved. And the recall options are also available, that is the half, 1/3, 1/4 or 3/4. Next recall question is on the extraction by placing the luxator between the incisor in mandible. Place interdentally to simultaneously extract the teeth. This is the another question. 24th question is, there is a bar graph with different parts of the same piece, right? And the recall options are the component bar chart or the double or the multiple. Next recall question is on the health scheme for non-communicable diseases. Next recall question on the double blinding reduces on which basis? Next recall question is the changing concept of health years question. Next question is the diuretic could have been used to avoid the renal failure. Next question is on the Kayes triad. You need to explain what is Kayes triad, right? There is one initiation of Kayes. Next recall option is the progression. Other options I didn't get it. So if you recall any other options related to this question, please do comment down below the video. Next recall question is the Pedersen difficulty index for impaction. There is an image based question is there, followed by the another question, that is the elevator used in Stobbe's technique. Next question is on the Rayleigh syndrome, lower mandibular canine, mandibular left canine, operant condition, a pedo question. Another question is on the inlay wax after placing in water for 24 hours. A chest x-ray is there showing the arch of aorta. Posterior mediastinal tumor causes the compression on, right? Another question is the bacteria causing the localized aggressive periodontitis. Another recall question is the unmineralized dentine formed above pulp, that is the predentine. Another recall question is the color system, that is the moon cell color system. Another question, that is the antibiotics against which receptor in Myasthenia gravis. The answer is the muscarinic receptors. Next recall question is the multiple cyst. There is the calcification of falx cerebri, etc. is seen in. So the answer is the basal nevus cell syndrome. Next recall question is in thalassemia, hyperkalemia due to which food? Another recall question, that is the percentage of GP in gutta percha cones. The answer is 22. Next question is on the flux function. Question is on the osteoclast activity rate, that is the 50 to 100 micron per day. Next recall question, there is the Ellis class 4 question is there, that is loss of tooth due to trauma. So the Ellis classification question is there. Next recall question is the bevel present at the gingival margin. Next recall question is the impression which cannot be disinfected with chlorine. Next question is the DNA unwinding is done by which enzyme? A image based question come on the electric pulp tester. Another question, that is the non-vital dentine level fracture tooth is asking, and they are asking about the type of fracture. So the Ellis class 4 fracture is there. Next recall question is the allopurinol is which type of inhibitor of xanthine oxidase? Next question is the stages of polymerization of DNA. A image based question come on the stria of Retizius. Tooth age picture is given, that is of 3 years. Next question is on the lingual arch space maintainer is which type of space maintainer? Next question is asking the age of the patient by showing the tooth picture. Biological width, they are asking about a question on biological width, and we all know that this topic is very important in perio, not only for the NEET MDS but definitely for the final year student also. So the biological width is 1.5 to 2 mm. Next question is, which vitamin is deficient in maize dominant diet? Question is on the distal space maintainer radiograph is present. Next question is the grayish pseudomembrane present over the tonsil. Next question is, what blockage is there in diabetic gangrene? A GP question is this. Next question is, ENaC punched out necrotic ulcer in interdental papilla. Next question is, which NSAID has minimum anti-inflammatory effect? Next question is the biologic width around implant question. Next question is the left eye blindness caused due to. Next question is, in treatment of lymphoma, due to which drug is acute renal failure prevented? Next question is, hoarseness of voice along with the esophageal carcinoma. Next question is on the classification of viruses is on the basis of. Next question is on the primary molar pulp exposure. Traditional RCT, that is the root canal treatment. Next question is on the solubility of cements, that is a DM question. Next question is on the interposition with temporalis. Next question is, bevel at gingival margin of amalgam is. Next question is, the primary molar pulp exposure is an intentional root canal related question is there. That means a pedo question is this. Next is the location of the post palatal strap, not seal, post palatal strap. Next question is, teeth likely to be bifurcate. Next question is, hairline ring is seen in. Next question is on scleroderma, right? Next question is on occlusal anatomy, mandibular right molar. Next question is on Kim's classification and on Leaford fracture. Next question is on the health scheme for non-communicable disease, which I have already told you. Followed by the leg fracture was plated, but arm and clavicle fracture was not reported to trauma. So let's see what are the right answers we have related to all the recall questions list which I have just told you, and we are end up with the recall questions only, right? Now I have the answers of all the related recall questions which you have remembered and which you have DM me on my Instagram, as well as you can have mail it already. So thank you so much for your efforts, because without your efforts this video can't be possible. Now let's see the correct answers of all the recall questions, right? Penicillamine is an antidote for. The answer is copper. What would you use to control systematically in bleeding extraction tooth case? There are 4 options which I have told you, right? And out of which the right answer is the ethamsilate. There is one clinical based question on the crepitus, right? So right answer is about the enzyme that perfringens. Next clinical based question which I have already told you, there is one more clinical based question on the cervicofacial. So answer is Israeli. Next recall question with answer, that is the sunflower cataract Kaiser-Fleischer occurs due to. So the right answer is the ceruloplasmin. Next question is, what is alginate filler derived from? So it is derived from the diatomaceous earth. Next question is on PhD, that is the highest level of analysis. So the highest level is the meta-analysis and systemic review. Next question is, in thalassemia, hyperkalemia due to which food? So the answer is banana. Next question is the flux function. So what it will do? The answer is it remove the oxides. bevel at gingival margin. So whatever the question related to it, maybe they are asking about the degrees or something. So the right answer is 30 to 60. The range is there, 30 to 60. Impression which cannot be disinfected with chlorine. So the answer is ZnOE. That is the zinc oxide eugenol. Allopurinol is which type of inhibitor of xanthine oxidase? So the answer is the competitive inhibitor. Grayish pseudomembrane over the tonsil. So the answer is it is seen in case of diphtheria. What blockage is there seen in diabetic gangrene? So there is the arterial blockage which is most commonly seen in diabetic gangrene. Next recall question with answer is which NSAID has minimum anti-inflammatory effect? So answer is PCM, right? Followed by that there is the questions come on the tongue thrusting diagnosis as well as on the angle former, type 3, type 4 gold alloys, which ceramic is used, right? Class 2 amalgam gingival bevel. And the question come on the effect of thermal expansion in casting, right? Immediate biopsy, a question come on this topic also. Followed by the excretory drug involved in which of the salivary gland tumor. Recall question that is come on the corticotomy. Followed by Peterion, which muscle involved, right? Followed by the question come on the auditory tube pharyngeal branch. Diagram of dentition is there. Canalicular adenoma diagram is there. Radiography dose measures are asking. EPT diagram is there. Leaford fracture diagram is there or question is there. Followed by the sclerotic dentine reflected light question is there. Followed by the ideal bar length they are asking. Followed by the question come on the periodontal disease in diabetes. The cleft lip, the time of repair they are asking. See, cleft lip and cleft palate, I have already told you so many times that this topic is very, very important. Starting from its definition till its treatment, right? So, one or two questions may do come from this topic, not only 1 and 2. We have seen and we have done the analysis of last previous year paper of NEET MDS and we have seen that cleft lip and cleft palate is the repeating topic from last more than 5 to 7 years. So you can have that list that you can go through the most important topic. Even I have told you the important topic list and in that too, this cleft lip and cleft palate topic is there, right? So we can say yes, paper is bit moderate to difficult part, but somewhere somehow the important questions are asking, right? Followed by that, tracheocolon diagram is also there. The most preferred arch shape for cantilever they are asking. They are asking on the adductive and subtractive osseous surgery. So overall, we all have all these recall questions regarding the NEET MDS 2023 and with the suitable answers of all the recall questions. If you still remember any other question, please do comment down those questions or anything related to the recall questions that is come in the NEET MDS 2023. Overall, I must say that paper is lengthy. Definitely the difficulty level is there and I have done the paper analysis earlier also, but somewhere somehow there are important topics. Definitely there are there in this paper, followed by there are many questions coming from the Neeraj Vadhavan book, right? So I must say I have already recommended so many students to please go through the Neeraj Vadhavan book except the Pulse, or if you have done with the Pulse, the basic part, then please don't forget to go through the Neeraj Vadhavan book. So somewhere somehow those students who have listened to me very well, they have a very good review regarding the paper. So let's hope for the best. We have a time nearly about 15-20 days in our hand. So in this time, Don't lose the hope first thing, and don't forget to check out the other alternate options also till we have to wait for the NEET MDS result. So till that time you can check out the other options after BDS so that you can have a plan B also. So that's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.